Okay, today I want to tell you a bit of a story. I run this YouTube channel like a business, but at the end of the day, I make videos in my spare bedroom. So when it comes to bookkeeping and, running a business, I rely heavily on financial tools and software. Trust me, as someone who reviews financial products for a living, I have tried them all, and like many business owners, I started with Quickbooks. But after the initial honeymoon phase wore off, I started to realize that there are many more affordable and flat out better financial tools that can help me run my business. Enter Melio, the platform I use to streamline my cash flow, pay bills, and get paid. I'm not exaggerating when I say my business might not be here today if not for a key feature of Melio that we're going to talk about. Let's get started. Like I said, I've been using Melio to pay bills and get paid for about a year and a half now, so when they reached out asking to sponsor a video, I knew it was a great fit since I personally use Melio and have recommended it to several friends over the past year. So if at any point in today's video you'd like to learn more and sign up for Melio, then I'll leave a link for that down below the like button. All right, first of all, I want to make it very clear that Melio is not an accounting software, and it's not aiming to be one. Now, it does seamlessly integrate with QuickBooks Online, which we'll talk more about in a second, but if you're reevaluating your business tools across the board and are looking to save some costs, you could use Melio as a standalone product for all things bill pay, or combine it with a third-party accounting software of your choice, depending on your business needs. And as I've talked about in previous videos, even if you just have a small side hustle, it is really important that you treat that side hustle like a legitimate business, especially when it comes to paying bills and getting paid. That being said, if you're like me and you're not running some huge company with tons of employees, then the hefty price tag that comes with some bill pay software can be hard to justify, especially if you're just a small side hustle. Which brings me to the first key differentiator of Melio, and that is it has no monthly fees and ACH bank transfers are free. QuickBooks, on the other hand, just recently launched a limited bill pay service, so making the switch to Melio for bill pay like I did will save you hundreds of dollars at a bare minimum, and those savings could easily climb into the thousands if you also switch to a free third-party accounting software, of which there are many. But the nice thing is, if you do use QuickBooks for accounting, again, Melio seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks Online, so even if you aren't looking to ditch the accounting side of things, you can still save a good chunk of change by using Melio to pay your bills and get paid, and simply integrate with the QuickBooks accounting software. Which, by the way, if you do integrate your accounting software with Melio, you'll also get 5 checks for free, which we'll talk about in a second. I also found that whether you're integrating with QuickBooks or not, the whole process of paying bills is so much faster with Melio, thanks to the incredibly simple design of their platform. Literally, I just enter the information about the vendor and the bill that I am paying, which can be done manually or by uploading or snapping a photo of a bill, or even pulled directly from QuickBooks. Then I just tell Melio how I'd like to pay that bill, whether that be directly from my bank account or using my business credit card, which we'll talk about next. And then I just tell Melio when to complete that transaction so that I know exactly when those funds will leave my account. No more handwriting checks or dropping them off at the post office or filling out unnecessarily complicated customer details just to make a simple payment. It's literally like 3 simple steps that can be done from your smartphone, and you can get back to doing what you actually love, running your business. Now, there is a 2.9% fee for paying with a credit card, which is fairly standard across the industry, but yes, I do have to pay that 2.9% fee, which can add up, but if I'm able to get 2 points per dollar and then redeem that for 2 or 3 cents per point, then I end up coming out way ahead. That's actually the exact strategy that I use to travel all over the world for free using miles and points. And if you want to learn more about that, I'll reference you to the Daily Drop YouTube channel, where I make tons of great videos on that exact topic. And these are not the only payment methods that Melio offers. They also have fast payment options, including same-day delivery payments, which are not available at all QuickBooks bill pay levels. All right, other differentiators from QuickBooks bill pay that I have found to be quite useful since making the switch. First of all, the number of users is unlimited with Melio, meaning I don't have to worry about upgrading my account just so my accountant is able to view my AR and AP transactions. Melio also has pretty advanced OCR and AI built into the software, meaning as soon as I get a bill from a vendor, I can upload it to Melio and it will intelligently capture that data and input those payment details right into the system without me having to do that. And that not only saves me time, but also avoids the inevitable human error. There's also some awesome approval workflows that I didn't have with my entry-level QuickBooks account, which allow my accountant to handle all of the payment processing, and I just have to give the final stamp of approval, which again not only saves me time, but perhaps more notably, I can do this from anywhere in the world from my smartphone. All right, that brings us to the last thing that we of course have to talk about, and that is, who is this platform for, and is it right for your small business? Again, it is not a full-blown accounting software, and that is not what Melio is designed to be. Melio was built to allow small business owners to quickly pay vendors online for free, and if that is what you're looking to do, then as someone who has tried every payment and accounting platform out there, you will be hard-pressed to find a better option than Melio. And again, since it seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks Online, you certainly could continue using that for your accounting software and streamline your bill payments with Melio while also saving some cash. Also, if you're like many small businesses and managing cash flow continues to be a struggle each month, then the ability to pay your bills using a credit card, even if your vendor doesn't accept credit cards as a form of payment, can give you a little bit of breathing room between when you actually have to pay your bills and when you have to then pay off the credit card balance. I realize that that isn't exactly an ideal financial situation to be in, but it is absolutely a reality for millions of small business owners. And that little bit of breathing room that Melio gives you with that key feature could be the difference between your business staying above water or not. I know personally, when I first hired my editor and some other freelancers to help me create these videos, it was a huge adjustment since my monthly expenses went from zero to thousands of dollars a month. And had I not been able to leverage this payment option through Melio, I honestly don't know if I'd still be making videos today. And then of course, there's the fact that the core payment functions of Melio, including ACH bank transfers, are completely free. And no matter what you think about the product, it's hard to argue with free, especially when the most popular alternative isn't exactly affordable. QuickBooks, I'm looking at you. So if you've got a small business or side hustle and you're looking to streamline the way that you pay your bills and get paid, then really you have nothing to lose by giving Melio a shot and seeing how it can help improve your business's cash flow and more. Again, huge thank you to Melio for not only sponsoring this video, but creating a product that has personally helped my small business. And if you'd like to learn more, then again, I'll leave a link for that down below the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.